Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E13, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. In this pop-up, you need to select Close if you want to disable location. So now when I go back, as you can see, location of this Motorola is off, but you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can go into Settings instead, scroll down and access Location section. Then manage it thanks to this switcher next to Use Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!